Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the shop. We're gonna get out of here today. I've got something really cool in the box that I have to deliver first, and then we're gonna go pick up another car for Scooba. Like he needs another one. Scooba found something else that he really likes. We're gonna go pick it up. This time it's I'll just let you guys see. But before we go, I've got a car in the box out there that I want to show you because it looks really cool. We're gonna deliver that car, and then we're gonna go get a car for Scooba. You guys get to ride along. Let's ride, man. This is a 1981 Fleetwood. What a Cadillac.
Yeah, they're all good.
It's hot this morning. That's one dropped off. Now let's head to South Carolina and pick up another one. There, we're about 10 minutes away. We're gonna pick up another car for Scooba. Yeah, another one. I can't wait to show you. Just a second. We'll be there in 10 minutes and you're about to see. We just pulled up in the shop where the car is. We're about to check it out.
So the original goal with the car was just to have a sleeper. So yeah, you're
Scooba. Yeah, I'm okay. Being just along for the ride in my truck.
Yeah. Because I saw you were on the YouTube.
Yeah, you're.
Just pull in.
Oh yeah, I can go in there.
You have more than enough room to turn around.
All right, cool. Yeah, I'll just drive in there. All right, cool. Met the guys. Let's check out the car. It looks like they got a lot of cool cars around here, though. Check it out. A lot of cool stuff around here, man. But here is the actual car that we're taking home. Of course, it's a red hatchback. It's a pretty sick one too. Look. Like, I mean, this car is not a rust car, it's a solid car, but it had that 30-year-old just like goodness. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, HXs on some Toyota R8. I was like, nobody will see it coming. Full exhaust. They're gonna be like, yo, this little ratty little Civic riding down the road, and then they don't know it's got 500 all-wheel drive on it. So that's what my goal was with this. Then I kind of was like, you know what? I don't need it, but nobody's gonna appreciate it that way. I'd have to find a certain buyer that would appreciate it.
And they built this CX car that we're gonna take home. It still has a stock Type S motor and a stock style trans all-wheel drive. So we're gonna be doing a little bit of building on it. It's gonna get some time and some love in my shop as well. But these guys put the car together originally, and it's really amazing. I can't thank them enough for giving us this deal on the car. It's really cool, and Scooba is super stoked. The car's on the list so we can check it out now. I think he's gonna take it for a test drive. Maybe we'll even get to ride. Let's pull this thing down and pop the hood. These guys have been messing with Hondas for a while. They said since the early 2000s. Make sure you check out their channel. It's down here at the bottom. I'm a little nervous. I'm gonna go ahead and buckle up too.
I have been giving her to beat, and I haven't replaced the brakes in the front.
It feels fast. Scooba's in there making the deal, giving the guy some cash for this car because, man, it really rips. So what a great car to add to the Madspeed camp, man. Stoked to get it from these guys. I think it was ridiculously fast. It was killer. These guys built a great machine. It's a new car for the Madspeed camp, a new car for Scooba, a new car for us, man. It's awesome.
Honest, both opinions. Car stationary is
Yeah, it's real
like, you
stable.
weren't worried
It's real
about
stable.
it. It's not like a Honda, like when it makes a lot of horsepower and it's like, oh, you're fighting it. No,
It felt like straight line.
Yeah,
full
like
on,
obviously you keep both hands, but like if you were confident, you could one hand that shit.
For sure,
dude.
for sure. It was nice, man.
It's an awesome experience.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
I'm telling you, dude. I'm telling you, it's a game changer for Hondas, man. That's why we're addicted to this shit.
Scooba's taking the car for a rip right now. He'll be right back, but man, I'm stoked that he's gonna get it. Oh, I can even hear it over the cornfield right there. You did a little 2-3.
I did first.
No, I'm saying the first time was a little 2-3.
Yeah.
And then he rolled. We came out of dollar store. I knew it.
That boy got to drive?
But now, if you notice,
Got a little.
Oh yeah.
he's
oh yeah.
dude. So if you notice, the first gear is awesome because I changed it out to the EP3.
Okay.
So the factory first gear is a 3.5.
It's very short.
So short.
Okay.
I mean, you're instant. You don't get no kind of power out first.
Yeah, okay.
But you would, if it had a 3.5, we never been able to roll them first like we did. It's
Okay.
instant second gear shift.
Okay.
So it's got the 3.0 and then the 1.76 second. So that's why the 1.2 feels so good. Because if I kept it factory CRV,
It just lights up way too fast.
it lights up way too fast. drive, you're so addicted.
You gotta guess the instrument. You gotta guess the instrument. Oh, you were the singer?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was gonna say guitar. What kind of music?
Metal.
Okay.
Let me hear your metal scream, I did.
I can't do it. It was a good ride, long ride from South Carolina, but we're here. We're at Scooba's place, and we're gonna unload the car right now, and you can check it out, and also check out all these other hatchbacks that he already has. It's pretty wild how this one is red, just like his other ones. Remember, he's got two other red ones. I'll show them to you in a second, but first, let me get this one out. Got some race fuel for it, too. Let's get it pulled out. Car is awesome. It is gorgeous, and especially sitting next to these other ones. I mean, it's got this red one right here. Yeah, this one we just got. We got this one that no, wait a minute. It's that one. That's the one we got on the channel already. This one over here with all the carbon goodies on the front up there. And under here is an SI, and it is, it's the same color, red. This guy's got a problem with red Civics.
What can I say? You got a problem.
Pretty killer day with Scooba, buying another car. I know this guy buys cars like crazy, but we got 3 hatchbacks right now. I think he's gonna get rid of one of them, just the shell of one of them anyway. We're taking the motors all out, and then I think we're gonna sell the shell and just make one car really badass and another car really badass street car. So this guy's got a good plan. That's another one delivered. That's 2 today, so that's pretty good. We just gotta get this trailer back to my house and see you guys in my garage. Made it back to the shop. It was a really hot killer day today, but we got that Cadillac delivered. We got the new all-wheel drive car for the camp here that Scooba picked up. So cool. It was really great meeting those guys out there today. Thanks so much for the deal. Great job putting the car together. It's as if we put it together ourselves. Can't complain. It's basically an OEM plus car. A little more than just OEM plus. It's really fast as you saw. Loving it. Can't wait to get this thing out on the track. It's gonna be killer. Thanks for hanging out with us, guys, watching this video. We're striving to get that 1,000. We're almost there. We won't get there without you guys. So subscribe, like, comment, you know, all the YouTube stuff you're supposed to do to make this thing grow. Thanks, you guys. We really couldn't do it without you. Until we see you on the next one, be sure to
Stay mad.
yeah, my dudes. Sweat. Oh, shit. Check out the link right here on the right. This is what did I just say it was?
Don't be scared of this thing.
Scooba's taking the car for a rip. Like, oh shit, they just started something big.
But we just love the sleeper.
Riding around on the 8 Honda wheels, like.